In this short video on atomic structure, we'll look at the uses of nuclear radiation. In a previous video, we looked at half-life. Now, different radioactive isotopes have very different half-life values. Some are really short, some are really long, and therefore we can use them to our advantage. Here are three different radioactive isotopes. So radioactive carbon, so one type of carbon, carbon-13, is radioactive and its half-life is around 5,700 years. Americium, another radioactive element, has 430 years. So every 430 years, the amount of radiation inside has halved. And finally, barium-137 just has a half-life of 2.5 minutes. On the previous slide, I chose barium for a reason. We can use barium in medicine to explore internal organs. In this example, a barium meal is drunk, and it follows the digestive tract all the way through the body and highlights areas that need further investigation. Having a half-life of around 2.5 minutes means the radiation will leave the body relatively quickly. So when patients leave and go home, they're told not to hug people for a while just because they're contaminated with radiation and they could then irradiate the people around them. It's also used in medicine to control or destruct unwanted tissue, such as cancer. You may have heard of radiotherapy, but there's also internal radiation therapy. And that's where you put a source of radiation inside the body next to a tumour, and the radiation will then kill the cells around it. So if you position it cleverly, it will aim most of the radiation onto the tumour and destruct it.